Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2008 Suzuki GSX650F. This bike has 24,000 miles and is offered for $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great looking upright sport bike. We just put 2 brand new tires on it, did a full complete service on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. It has a real nice sounding aftermarket exhaust that you'll hear in just a moment. Also has some aftermarket adjustable levers just to get you dialed in the grips a little better. She's a beaut, ready to go. Again, it's been gone through by our service department, oil change, safety check, new tires. This bike is really nice looking. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.